Welcome back. Now, when you are working on your mobile device or if you're working in the online version of PowerPoint, you are saving your document to a Microsoft OneDrive account. And whether you're using a free account or you're using an account that's part of a subscription, you can go to this area, which is the app launcher. You can then click on the OneDrive account. And that OneDrive account is connected to the login that you're using for your Microsoft account. And with a free account, you have 5 gigabytes, which is going to be used across all applications in Microsoft Office. You can then go to look for your shared files. You can then go look for your recent files, and you'll see your recent files here in this area. And if you click on your document, you'll then be able to see the document that you are working on. That means you can save the name of the document to your OneDrive account. You can click this area and you can give the document a name. And you can then click inside of the document. You'll see the name of the document then change. If you were to go back to your OneDrive account and you were to go to your recent files, you'll then be able to see the new name of your document. You'll also see the name change inside of your mobile device. Now, if you use Microsoft PowerPoint as part of your desktop application, one thing you can do is to go to the File command. You can then click Save As, and you can download a copy of the document to your personal computer. We can then open the new document on our desktop. We can enable editing, and we can then begin working on the document on our desktop. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.